Hello, my people. Now, well done. Now, good day. Now, another Masai carry con my people today. This one get as e be o. Get one story when we say it just happened recently. The publication come up just yesterday for here. When we say one young lady will kill herself because of wetin im papa do to am. E happen say this young girl, she come out come let people know say at the age of 7 years, im papa don dey sleep with am. E say because of this thing wey be say im papa do to am. E say each time e dey remember all this thing wey be say im papa do to am, e say im heart dey beat and e no fit take am. Wetin this young girl come try do wey dem dey call Ohinrenua Giwa. Though the family come from Edo State, precisely, and it can happen say she talk say each time she dey remember all the things wey im papa do to am, e no dey fit comprehend well say the thing dey torment her. And before this young lady kill herself, e come happen say e don come write letter, very long letter, wait for ground for im papa make e go through, make im papa know wetin make am kill himself. E say e even get one time say im papa even come tell am say even if he wan see as the girl go take become anything in life, say even if the girl come outside come talk all these things wey e say im papa do to am, e say people no go believe. The girl come even let us know say no be only her im sure say im papa dey do am to, say im papa go don dey do all these things to so many people. Say he even get the belief say whether some people know but dem no just wan speak out regarding wetin im papa dey do am. E say he wan really let the world know, let say na im papa cause am wey be say she no fit take the trauma, and the thought of her remembering all those things wey be say im papa do to am, na im make am say he no ready to stay this world again, so she come end up to take her life. I go dey attach photograph of the girl and the message wey be say im drop for im papa make e read, so make una see exactly wetin happen. So im don talk say e don tey wey this thing don dey torment her, don dey disturb her for a very long time. Just imagine a girl of 7 years old wey be say im papa don dey sleep with, and e say this thing really affect her very badly. The girl even come let im papa know say im na one of the people wey be say im papa molest. E say know say im papa get too many people wey be say he molest well. E say because im deliberately wan leave this letter for im papa make im papa read am after im don kill herself. She equally talk say im believe say karma must catch up with im father for everything wey be say im papa don do to am, and for the things wey im papa don do to so many of the children wey be say im papa sef don still sleep with, wey be say people no know. One thing when I wan let people know say this man wey be say e dey sleep with im daughter na pastor im be, this Mr. Giwa. He is a pastor wey be say e dey sleep with im pikin. So the matter wey I let una know say, because I go dey leave the article make una actually read am well. Everything when the pikin talk, as papa take come tell am say the girl herself and her other siblings say dem no go fit amount to anything in life, even if they go Nigeria, say dem no go fit see opportunity to expose wetin dey happen, so e come happen say this matter e really come pain this young girl for body well, because as papa e come be like say papa dey threa ten am, dey threa ten the girl. So wetin come happen be say the threat come too much, and na im the girl come talk say he no go fit take all this threat despite the fact say papa dey sleep with him. E don still reach of age wey be say she go fit still dey refuse. The papa still dey do all those things. So this trauma don come too much for her say im no fit dey remember all the things wey be say im papa dey do to am, so na im make am come take im life. So make I just leave all the article wey the girl talk write about the letter wey the girl leave for im papa before im take im life. So make una just go through wetin I will read for drop for una, make una see wetin happen. My people, na the matter be this, una well done.